strain, running from things, running from schemes.
But we have 3 tires for 3 whole days, so I'm gonna save the rest of these tires for night drifting. But first, let me take a moment to thank this video sponsor, Upside. What is something that stinks that we can all agree that we hate? Inflation. Whether it's gas prices, grocery prices, the prices of food at your local restaurant, inflation sucks. And that, my friends, is why I started using Upside. Upside is an incredible app for anyone who buys groceries, gas, or likes to dine out. The entire process is incredibly easy. First, you download the free Upside app. Next, you browse the offers available in your location, cash back on gas, groceries, or dining out. After that, you claim an offer, head to the business and check in. Pay for it as usual with your credit card, and boom, you're earning cash back with Upside. The awesome thing is that with Upside, you can earn up to 3 times more cash back than other cashback or credit card programs. In total, Upside users are earning more than $1 million every week. With your cash back from Upside, you could maybe buy parts for your favorite race car, finally afford those new Milwaukee batteries, or afford to get more gas for your next track day. So yet again, if you guys are interested, you can get started by downloading the free Upside app on the App Store or Google Play. You guys can use my code Gingium and get $5 or more cash back on your first purchase of $10 or more. Huge thank you to Upside for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to the track day. Use up all this gas.
Yo, life theories, this nice delivery got me rated. Banana berries and smooth metals overdated. The gelato is white cherries. Yeah, I'm more than faded. Drifting off in the 5 Series. Cool like rollerblading. Feel of fresh air. We like next day airing. Still the best pair like your first set of earrings. Yeah, wait till you get here. It's gonna click like time sharing. All praises be, thought you knew you was God fearing. When it was time to man up, coming from the sandbox. Man, we had to find out where we had to find out. We ain't that spoof type, bringing in that true light. This ain't that goof hype, you know it's two types, the good or the bad. Why don't you pick you a side? The yin and the yang, just to balance out.
Shit, dude! He was right here, bro.
I know, dude.
He was so fucking close.
Oh, it's so awesome.
Hell yeah, dude.
Drifting, well, okay. Drifting's not done. Drifting cross is done. No more drifting cross. Because Chili Mac is done. We got our chili. We got our mac. Combine the two to make Chili Mac. Oh wait, there's more. It may not look like anything special, but I swear to you, this is one of the best tasting things, and it's so easy to make. There we go. And for good luck. In addition to our chili mac, we got a beautiful barrel-aged beer. Oh, wow, that was nice. Oh, it smells so good. Yep, exactly what I wanted. Yeah, about that. I got it earlier. Ah, there we go. Of course I wasn't filming, but guy in front of me started to spin out. We were in a sick tandem. Guy in front of me started to spin out. I had to spin out in order not to hit him. Guy behind me was on my door. That happened. But it's all right, it's a drift truck. It's just kind of unfortunate. When we go to rebuild it, we're replacing the fenders and replacing the bed, but we're keeping the doors. And of course, it literally only damages the door. Welcome to Gingium's Bodywork. So finally, after driving all day yesterday and a couple hours today, finally needing to change the rear tires. These Tire Street Accelera PH1s, so beautiful. I could have actually kept going a couple more laps, but they lasted probably like 10 hours of driving. But I went to check on the front tires, found a little bit of a, I found my binding issue. Yesterday, it was binding a bit. I found this, which is like a bunch of aluminum, and then I saw my wheel. It is totally machined with my wheel quite far. So we're gonna go ahead and angle grind the control arm a bit and then swap the tires and get back to it. The tire is definitely rubbing still, but the wheel I don't think is rubbing anymore, so there's not a whole lot I can do to fix it right now. So that's about as perfect tread wear you can get. much longer. We didn't cut enough. If you look, this is my lip. Used to be like this. Problem is I don't have any spare front wheels. The back wheels are lower or higher offset. So if I threw the back wheels on, it would rub even worse. And that would not be good. So now we either have to find bigger spacers or some new 5x114.3 wheels. Or I could just throw the back ones on and try not to hit full lock. Well, we made it back to the Gingium. The Sequoia and the trailer did fantastic. Besides the trailer battery, for some reason crapping itself. I'm guessing it was because of the cold, maybe all the moisture too. Who knows? Gonna have to return that. Truck has seen better days for sure. Front bumper all caved in. That was my fault. And the door, looks kind of worse in here, but at least it's on the dark side. Shit happens, and I am so happy that I was at least able to rip on this thing all weekend and it not break. Besides, of course, the wheel. I can't even pick it up because it's too sharp right now, but the wheel that, but honestly, shout out to Koenig for making a crazy strong wheel, because that thing survived and held air even when the lip of the wheel was peeling off. Could have been much worse if it was a cheap wheel, could have deep-beated a tire, spun out, crashed again, I don't know, but none of that happened, thankfully. And then, I mean, shout out to Tire Streets for making a fantastic drift tire. You can use coupon code Gingium to get 20% off. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna start ordering metal, some DLM for this thing, 240 parts, supercharger parts. V2 of this build is going to start very, very soon. Don't really know what we're gonna do in the next video yet, but if you wanna watch it ahead of schedule, you can head up to Patreon and become a patron. Besides that, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Upside for sponsoring this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.